How to log in to Jumia. So if you want to log into your Jumia account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. So you can simply go for the search bar and search for Jumia login, and after that here you will have this login on the first option, right? So you can click on that and it will directly take you to the login page of Jumia. So you can either log in with your passkeys, or you can also log in with your Facebook if you have used, or if you have linked your Facebook to Jumia. But if you have entered your email or your mobile number, then you can enter it here. And after entering that, you can click on continue. And after clicking on continue, it will ask you to enter your password. And after entering your password, you can simply click on login and you will be logged into your account. But if you have not created an account yet, then it will take you to the create account page. So you can simply create your account if you have not created. But if you have already created your account, then it will take you to the login page, and then you can enter the password, and after that you can simply click on login and you will be logged in. So that's it, that's how you'll log in, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.